Welcome everyone to our next video for helping you out with our new Windows 10 deployment. In this video, we're going to look at the Google Drive file stream. So to initially set this up, you're going to go to the very bottom left of your screen and click your Start menu. Depending on the programs you have on your computer, you may need to scroll down until you see Drive file stream. At this point, a pop-up will come up with Google that will ask you to sign in to your Google account. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign in with your Wolf Creek email and then your email password or your Google password. Once this is done, you will notice that there is a little pop-up in the bottom right hand of your screen that says that Google Drive file stream is setting up your files. At this point, you will see a pop-up, such as what's on the screen here, and what you'll do is you will click the little arrow on the right-hand side of the little pop-up. This is going to actually show you what Google Drive file stream actually does, and basically give you a little bit of an overview. By reading these, you can get a little bit better of an idea of what it actually is. Now, in the end, at the bottom, it will ask you to open Explorer. So we're going to do this two ways. So I'm going to first show you how to open it through Explorer, which automatically opens up your Google Drive file stream. And then I'm also going to show you how to do it by going through the computer.